bathrooms. A young woman stands in a softly lit bathroom, staring at the bathtub with a look of uncertainty. Preparing for the baby's arrival means understanding their sleep patterns first. It's all about establishing a routine early on.
Here is the thermometer. Let's check your temperature.
Thank you. I was starting to worry.
Luna carefully places the thermometer in the bathtub, her eyes fixed on the display as she waits for the reading.
The thermometer reads 38 degrees Celsius, which is the perfect temperature for the bath.
Okay, that sounds ideal. It feels very comfortable. Everything looks good to go.
When you lift your baby, always make sure to support their delicate head and neck. After ensuring the baby is secure, carefully place the towel on the counter, smoothing any wrinkles for a clean surface. Always support the baby's head and neck. Slowly and deliberately place them onto the prepared surface, ensuring they are secure and comfortable.
Luna sits at the bathroom counter, gently undressing her newborn. Her hands move slowly and carefully as she items. Mike stands beside Luna, holding out a small cup of warm water. Luna takes the cup from him, her eyes fixed on.
Enjoying this quiet time together helps build a strong, loving connection that will last a lifetime. Luna gently washes her newborn's hands, moving slowly and carefully. She cleans each finger. Be sure to use very gentle, slow strokes when brushing your newborn's delicate skin. After brushing, use a small cup of warm water for a gentle rinse, ensuring the water flows away from their face. Use a small cup to carefully pour warm water over the baby's head, watching their face to ensure they remain calm and comfortable.
Gently clean your newborn's ears with a soft cloth wrapped around your finger. Move slowly and carefully, keeping your baby calm and secure.
Luna stands beside the bathroom counter, gently cleaning her newborn's bottom with a soft, fragrance-free soap.
To swaddle your newborn, make sure the blanket or towel is snug around their shoulders and hips. This keeps them feeling secure.
When checking your newborn's diaper, gently lift their legs and inspect the contents. If it is just wet, you
gently wrap the towel around your newborn, ensuring they feel secure and calm. Keep your movements slow and deliberate. A man stands beside a woman, holding out a clean diaper. The woman takes the diaper from him, her eyes fixed on her baby's face. Agents. Luna carefully washes the tub and surfaces using soap and water. Her movements are slow and deliberate.
Okay, I've got the sponges and the cleaner. Is there anything else you need right now?
No, that should be everything. Thanks, Mike.
Achieving a deep clean doesn't have to be a chore. Now the bathroom is sparkling, and Luna can relax.
Are you almost done here? I think it's a good time for you to take a quick breather.
That sounds good, thank you.
And that's why organizing your toiletries by category really maximizes the space under the sink. It makes a huge difference.
There is nothing quite like the serene bond between a mother and her newborn. These peaceful moments are vital for connection.
When checking a newborn's temperature, make sure they are calm. A quick, gentle swipe across the forehead is usually accurate. To check the temperature, hold the thermometer steady. Ensure the formula is just right before feeding. So we insert the nipple firmly into the ring.
And make sure it's level all around before twisting it onto the bottle securely.
When bottle feeding, hold your baby close and ensure the bottle is tilted correctly to help prevent them from taking in too much air.
It's always a good idea to keep a burp cloth handy during and after feeding, just in case of spills.
Luna stands beside her newborn, checking their temperature. Her eyes are fixed on the thermometer, and her hands are steady.
Once the scale is calibrated, gently place the newborn on the tray. Ensure their movements are minimal so we can get a precise and accurate weight reading.
This specific model seems highly rated for accuracy and ease of use, which is essential for tracking early growth.
We should look into getting a baby carrier or sling. It will make things much easier when we're out.
That's a good idea. Let's look online.
Make sure all buckles are securely fastened and the fabric is smoothed out. The carrier should feel like a comfortable extension of your body.
Adjust the shoulder straps one at a time for a snug fit. Then secure the side buckle firmly to ensure proper hip and neck support for the baby.
Adjusting the carrier is simple, and Luna loves how secure and comfortable the baby is. She looks so peaceful in there. Adjusting the carrier for a snug fit gives me the confidence I need to head out the door with the baby comfortable and secure.
Establishing a consistent bedtime routine is crucial for her development, Luna. We need to start tonight.
You're right. I'll make sure we stick to it.
พาน้ำพาในส่งปานขาดจงทางข้ามมันขาดศิลพันธ์หยีพัมดันสางสอบทีมมาทำการที่นี่หน้าสองแล้ว
Notice how we dim the lights slowly. A dark, quiet room signals to Luna that it's time to transition to sleep.
Now that we've adjusted the time, we should be much more efficient with our morning routine.
Planning for their future starts now. It's important to consider all the options available for education and healthcare.
Remember how we talked about starting a baby journal? We really should prioritize that this week.
Absolutely. It's a great idea to look back on.
A baby journal is more than just a scrapbook. It's a way to capture developmental milestones and cherished memories from the very beginning.
Okay, Luna, let's make sure the digital access is linked to the physical journal here.
And this section is for vaccinations, right?
เป็นชูผนังพรชิงเหน่งพรชิงเหน่งเผาพรชิงเหน่งชิงหนังทั้งสาวเหน่งพัดชูน้องสังนั่งพอไม่ทันถังชิงโมกรังตังปังพัดนุปรังปรับเตนุปทับในกองพักปั๊บเปนุปเติงรับนุปรังครับตรงอ่างมุพับเปนุปปังปรังครับตัง
Luna sits on the couch, looking thoughtful. Her eyes are fixed on the floor, and her hands are clasped together.
We need to look into baby-proofing the living room soon. It's important we get this done.
I agree. I'll order the outlet covers and cabinet locks this afternoon.
Comparing different safety gates can be overwhelming. I prioritize options that require no drilling and have strong consumer reviews for durability.
Clean the surface first, then carefully peel the adhesive backing.
Okay, like this?
Exactly. Now press firmly for 30 seconds to ensure it's secure. Secure sharp furniture edges with protective padding. Then, carefully inspect the room for potential fall hazards.
It's important to remember that every interaction, even the small ones, contributes to a baby's social development.
Luna, I really think you should start looking into a baby playgroup soon. It's an important step for their development and socialization.
I like the structure of this playgroup's daily schedule.
And the parent reviews confirm the staff is excellent. Organizing the play space effectively is key for engagement.
Exactly. We want to ensure everything is accessible and safe.
These peaceful moments are vital. A newborn's sense of security forms the foundation for their future social interactions and development.
Emotional development begins at birth. Those first connections are crucial for building trust.
Luna, starting an emotional intelligence program early is one of the most important steps we can take for her development. We should sign up today.
I wonder which program is best for emotional intelligence development.
Let me check the reviews on this one. It seems highly rated.
Go ahead and click this icon to start the setup wizard.
Okay, and then we just follow the prompts for the age group.
Luna sits on the couch, holding her newborn in her arms. Her eyes are closed and a soft smile is on her face. Caring for a newborn is a journey of immense change, but the overwhelming feeling is one of pure, unconditional love and gratitude. Okay, noted. Prioritize the convertible car seat and the breathable muslin blankets. Safety ratings are key here.
Begin by laying out all components. Securely connect the frame poles until you hear them click, then ensure all screws.
Adjusting these straps ensures they're snug and safe. Shall we try the glider now?
It looks very comfortable and fits perfectly in the corner.
Preparing for their arrival felt overwhelming, but looking back,
The journey has been the most rewarding experience of my life.